NAS100 is currently at a critical junction, showing a distinct shift in short-term momentum. While the higher timeframe remains bullish, the H1 structure has flipped to bearish, characterized by a series of lower highs and bearish breaks of structure. Price is currently testing a significant institutional demand zone between 28,250 and 28,350, a key decision area that will dictate the next institutional move. Our focus is on this entry zone. We are waiting for mitigation here, observing how institutional flow interacts with this support. Once price action confirms, we can expect the move to start. Our invalidation level is strictly set at 29,700. If price breaks this, our bias changes entirely. For a bearish continuation, if we see a firm breakdown below 28,250, we look toward our primary objectives to clear liquidity. Scenario 1 aims for T1 at 27,900. If momentum persists, we target T2 at 27,500, followed by the final objective at T3, resting at 27,000. These levels represent major pockets of sell-side liquidity that institutions are likely seeking to fill. Conversely, should buyers successfully defend the demand zone and initiate a bullish recovery by reclaiming 29,450, we shift our perspective. A successful reclaim confirms a structural pivot, allowing us to target upside objectives. In this recovery scenario, T1 is identified at 29,800, T2 at 30,250, and the premium objective T3 at 30,700. Market participants should monitor the 28,250 to 28,350 zone closely, as the reaction here will confirm whether we continue the current corrective phase or pivot back toward higher timeframe bullish alignment. Trade with discipline and maintain strict risk management as price probes these institutional levels. Always analyze market data carefully to ensure you understand the potential risks involved in these high volatility financial movements. This is an educational video, not investment advice. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.